To cut the boards to length, Helmut is using a universal 315mm saw blade. With this saw blade diameter, the hammer combination can attain an impressive maximum cutting height of 103mm. And away we go. When making the sizing cut, the use of a pencil and measuring tape will suffice. An extra 50mm has been calculated into the cut. The saw cuts through the hard wood without a problem. The first working process is now completed. All of the pieces have been cut roughly to length. Now we need to cut the boards to the required width. For this we are going to remove the crosscut fence, which is achieved by simply releasing a couple of handles and is done in seconds. Clamp the edging shoe to the sliding table, insert a rip blade into the saw, and readjust the cutting height. Now clamp the board under the edging shoe, which ensures that this cut is also performed without a hitch. Panels that are longer than the sliding table can still be cut with the help of an edging shoe attached to a larger panel. When the sliding table is locked into place, the panel runs along the groove, allowing Helmut to rip along the full length. The hammer sliding table, the strong aluminium chamber profile, and the high quality guidance system ensures a perfect result. The solid cast iron saw unit, a high quality sliding table and guidance system, and precise setup all combine to guarantee a perfect cut. The saw blade can be tilted to any position between 90 and 45 degrees and is accurate to the degree. With a saw blade diameter of 315mm, you can make a maximum cut of up to 103mm. Just see for yourself how simple and precise Helmut can produce all of the parts of the rocking chair. Now we come to a difficult cut on the saw, but thanks to the workpiece plan on the drawing board, we can use the sliding table bevel to take the exact angle from the plans and set the fence to the required angle. A fine sizing blade will provide the best results for this cut. Thanks to the user-friendliness and precision of the hammer machines, setting up the machine and then cutting goes extremely quickly. A 90-degree stop and scale that is beveled towards the user ensure a precise and comfortable adjustment of the fence with excellent level of repeatability. When cutting the back supports to shape, it is very important that the saw is set up accurately. The smooth running sliding table considerably improves the ease with which this is done. Miter cuts with the blade at an angle are made simple, thanks to a scale that is accurate to the degree. As Helmut wants to cover the bottom of the runners with a layer of wood, he needs to cut 4mm strips on the saw. When making cuts that are close to the saw blade, it is best to lay the rip fence on its side. This allows you to leave the extraction hood on, helping you to keep your workshop clean. Truly perfect, and can be cut to size. Finally, we just need to cut out the spaces for the legs. The seat is held in the vertical position thanks to the use of a clamp. Finished.